Hello, good morning, बच्चों. In today video, I will start a very beautiful 2D motion. Example of 2D motion like projectile motion. You may have listened like this is the projectile motion. बच्चों, suppose we throw a object with velocity u which makes an angle theta with the horizontal. Tell me what would be the trajectory of this path. बच्चों, this is the trajectory of this path. This is called projectile motion, in which you can say at every point of the path there at least we have required two coordinates for exactly to mention what is the position. Okay बच्चों, you can break here. This is u cos theta and this is u sin theta, and बच्चों this is the height. This is the simple terminology, and this is the range. बच्चों, in this video I will calculate range as well as maximum height as well as time of flight. बच्चों, tell me what is the ux here. This is u cos theta. This is simple. This is ground to ground projectile motion. You know, this is the acceleration g which always act vertically downwards towards the center of the earth. This is u cos theta. What is acceleration along the x? This is 0. What is velocity along y? This is u sin theta. And what is the acceleration along y direction? But so this is minus g. We taken this is the reference plane, this is the x axis, and this is the y axis. Because vertical direction this is positive, that's why I have taken g is minus g in the y direction. But so now we will calculate time of flight. Time of flight, this is equal to u plus at. We will apply equation of motion between like this is position 1, this is position 2, this is position 3. Now we will apply equation of motion between 1 and 2. Tell me बच्चों, what is v equal to u plus at? What is value of v? This is 0. What is u? We apply the equation of motion in the vertical direction. That's why we can write vy equal to uy plus ay equal to t. What is the uy? This is u sin theta minus g into t. बच्चों, what is t? This is u sin theta divided by g. Also, this is the time time taken by the particle to go from position 1 to 2. If we have to find total time of flight, then what we have to do? Just multiply 2 by time of action. This is time of action. Like now, time of flight, this is equal to time of flight. This is just 2 times of time of action. This is 2u sin theta. This is divided by g. बच्चों, now we will calculate range. बच्चों, for the calculation of range we will apply equation of motion s equal to ut plus half at the square. बच्चों, you can see this is the range. Now we have to apply equation of motion along the x direction. That's why we will write here s x ux half ax equal to t. बच्चों, what is the s x here? You can say this is the range. This is range. What is the ux? बच्चों, this is u cos theta. बच्चों, what is the t? This is the total time taken by the particle to go from position 1 to position 3. That means time of flight. This is 2u sin theta divided by g plus half. बच्चों, what is the acceleration along the x direction? There is no acceleration along the horizontal direction. That means this is 0. बच्चों, what is this? This is 2u square sin theta into cos theta divided by g. You can write like u square sin 2 theta divided by g. बच्चों, this is the formula of range. बच्चों, now we will calculate maximum height. बच्चों, this is the maximum height. Tell me in which direction we will apply equation of motion in the vertical direction. Like v square, this is equal to u square plus 2as. बच्चों, tell me what is the value at the highest point. This is 0, and what is the u? This is u square sin square theta. बच्चों we will apply here equation motion along the y direction because we have to calculate maximum height. Plus what is the acceleration along the y direction? बच्चों this is minus g, and what is this? sy, and this is h. बच्चों what is h here? This is u square sin square theta divided by 2g. Okay बच्चों, this is the formula for maximum height, and this is the formula for range u square sin 2 theta divided by g, and this is the time of flight 2u sin theta divided by g. Thank